Wondering what the Bing homepage quiz is and how to win it? Let's find out. This is the Windows Club. Bing homepage quiz is one of the oldest features introduced by Bing. It is also known as the Bing Daily Quiz and comes under the Bing search engine. It offers a daily quiz on the Bing homepage asking users a trivia question or set of questions related to a wide range of subjects from around the globe. The quiz aims to engage users and test their knowledge while providing a fun and interactive experience. It is also designed in a fun way that anyone with some general knowledge can answer it. Wondering how to play it? Let's get started. How to play the Bing homepage quiz. You can play Bing homepage quiz using any browser you like. However, the quiz option might not be visible when you visit the Bing homepage. First, you should see a Q icon. The questions will appear when you hover over it. In case you don't see the Q icon, hover your mouse icon over the space under the search field and you should be able to see it. To play the Bing homepage quiz game, follow the below steps. Hover over the Q icon and you should see a question with multiple answers. Then click on the correct answer, which will take you to Bing search displaying the correct answer. You can also click the next question button to get up to 3 questions. Once you answer all 3 questions correctly, you will get reward points. The reward point can be later redeemed for exciting gift cards. How to win Microsoft rewards with Bing Quiz. Microsoft homepage quiz is something everyone must try out. It offers you rewards when you answer all 3 questions correctly. The reward point can be later redeemed for exciting gift cards. Apart from the Bing quizzes, you can also earn reward points in other ways, such as answering different questions and checking out different offerings by the Edge browser. To learn more, visit rewards.bing.com and sign in using your Microsoft account. Also, to earn maximum points, use the Microsoft Edge browser. However, sometimes you may not find a homepage quiz on the Bing search page. What to do if Bing homepage quiz is not working? 1. Use a different browser. If you use Chrome, you can switch to other browsers like Microsoft Edge and vice versa and see if it works. You can also try visiting bing.com using the incognito tab and see if that works for you. 2. Clear cache and cookies. You can also try clearing the cache and cookies to see if it resolves your issue. Cookies and caches often display a cached page that is not real time, so clearing them will help you load a new version of the web page. To do so, you can go to edge:/settings/privacy from your Edge browser to clear cookies and cache. 3. Change your region. Finally, you can try changing your region. To do so, follow these steps. Open your browser and go to bing.com. Click on the 3-line icon from the top right corner of the Bing homepage and click on Country or Region. Finally, change your country to the United States, reload bing.com and see if you can see the quiz option. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.